In this gripping episode of Judge Judy, we dive into one of the most complicated disputes between friends and neighbors, showing how small events can spiral into major legal battles. Everything began over a year ago when Miss Green faced an unexpected situation that would change her life for months to come. On that day, Miss Green was moving between her grandmother's house and her own home, bringing her dog along before heading to the mall to grab a bite to eat before starting her shift at Walmart, where she worked as a sales associate. Accompanying her was Mr. Smith, an old friend she had known since 2012, who was driving her car with her permission to make transportation easier. At first, everything seemed normal until she received a call informing her she needed to be at work by 5 p.m. With the stress of the tight schedule, Mr. Smith drove her to work. Little did she know that what followed would become a real nightmare. While on the way to his grandmother's house after dropping her off, Mr. Smith was unexpectedly pulled over by the police. During the stop, drugs were discovered in the car, leading to the vehicle being impounded. As the days passed, impound fees and fines began accumulating, eventually making it nearly impossible to retrieve the car without paying a huge sum. Miss Green, unaware of the car's impound situation at first, was shocked to learn that it was no longer accessible and that the fees had escalated to the point where getting her car back was financially impossible. The courtroom session with Judge Judy was tense and full of drama from the start. Mr. Smith tried to explain his side, asserting that the drugs weren't his and that he hadn't anticipated the severe legal consequences. He admitted he had been detained briefly due to the drugs found in the vehicle, which became the basis for Miss Green's claim for financial compensation and emotional distress. As always, Judge Judy did not tolerate weak arguments. She scrutinized every detail. Why wasn't the car retrieved immediately after the case ended? Why had fees and fines accumulated? Was Mr. Smith truly responsible? Throughout her questioning, Judge Judy emphasized the critical importance of proper documentation and proof, making it clear that claims without evidence have no weight in court. The drama escalates as more details emerge. The accumulation of impound fees, delays in reclaiming the vehicle, and who exactly was responsible for the drugs. Each side tries to defend themselves, but the situation becomes even more complex with every small fact revealed, adding tension and intrigue to the courtroom proceedings. Ultimately, this episode illustrates how a seemingly simple situation, like borrowing a friend's car, can turn into a major legal ordeal full of misunderstandings, mounting costs, and legal complications. It serves as a cautionary tale about responsibility, trust, and proper paperwork, showing how small decisions can have unexpectedly large consequences. For fans of legal drama, this episode is a chance to see ordinary people navigating extraordinary legal challenges, and how Judge Judy confronts the facts with her usual strictness and fairness. This isn't just a case about an impounded car. It's a story about trust, risk, and personal accountability, proving that even minor actions can spiral into life-changing problems.